Highness, a mobile hairdresser. Today I'm gonna be taking you along to show you how a day in a mobile hairdresser life looks like. Without any further ado, let's go. Which is like straight tone French curl. So it was out of stock, and then she settled for black, and wig was also out of stock. You know those French curl comes, those short French curls comes in a short pack because they're mainly shorts. I don't know if I'm a good explainer, guys. But since it was out of stock, I decided to go for something like this short also. But they also have the longer one. I decided to go for this, and then I cut it into half to get the hair looking like what she wants. I can't wait to show you guys. Finally, we're almost there. Let's go. Slow traffic, but we're almost there. Finger crossed we arrive between 8:05 to 8:10 because this client wanted us to come around 8 because she had somewhere to be around 2 in the afternoon. She was going to work. So finger crossed we arrive between 8 to 8:10. Yeah, guys, I'm so stressed, honestly. I'm just trying to smile, but I'm so stressed to be late. And this is not usually kind of style. Because they fear his life may be in danger. Blasphemy was an offense under Islamic law. Let's keep showing. Please let me show them. Gold is trading at $2,648.05 an ounce. The rand is at 18.72 to the dollar, 23.34 to the pound, 19.36 to the euro, and Brent crude oil is at $76.30 a barrel. And in the traffic, we've got delays and forays on Winnie Mandela Drive, Clifford Road, and the N1 while traveling in Waterfall. That accident we spoke about earlier has been cleared, but we've got road. During eyewitness news, the ANC says it will be using the next few days. Guys, we're 3 minutes away. History as it represents its 150th anniversary celebrations. Independent. For the latest, visit EW. The traffic is cleared. Lucky me, guys. Lucky me. So now it says in the map we're like 2 minutes away from the client's house, and the time is so the traffic has cleared out, and it says that we're like 2 minutes away, and the time is like 8:08. So we're still gonna reach there by 10 minutes past 8. That was a relief, guys. And we here. Just one place left. Yeah, guys.
And I think parents must also remember to remind their children that it's not the end of the world to not do well in matric. But in terms of the publishing of the matric results, I think we should hear from the learners themselves, pupils themselves. I mean, we as adults are busy going on
Guys,
about
we've
this
arrived
conversation.
at the
I haven't
hotel.
heard one clip of a matric
On time, guys.
They want information published.
Yeah. I was reading up about this. A few people, a few youngsters having quoted as saying around about this time they go back to rural villages. And
guys, you know, I asked my sister to take me, like, oh, guys,
We just arrived. Okay guys, I have arrived at the client's apartment. Before I had arrived, she had already washed her hair. Remember, she had to be somewhere by 2 p.m. So that was like a bonus on our side. So I just had to blow dry her hair and grease her hair and also part it so I could just immediately start braiding it. This is my technique on how I get my perfect middle line. So firstly, I have to divide my hair into two parts. So it's front parts and back parts. And then the front parts, I have to divide it into two equal lines. And that's my perfect middle line. This is how the hairpiece looks. This is the length of the hairpiece when it's out of the pack. What I just have to do is to cut it into two so I can get the lengths going for today. This is how your hair should look like when you are done cutting. And this is the length you want to go for when you are braiding a bob French curl.
Okay, so here I'm going to be showing you guys how to open a knit line. So first of all, you want to open a straight line to say the line should be the same thickness as the previous line you just braided. And after that, I'm going to apply gel to the line first before I have to apply gel to the line first. Then I'm going to straighten the line because gel makes you see if the line is crooked or is straight. So yeah, so that's why I'm applying gel at the moment. And after applying gel, I go back with my comb again and I'm going to straighten the line to be very straight. See, first I brush the hair down with the comb so I can see the line properly. This helps you see, can we zoom it in for you? This helps you see that if your line has been opened straight. Then if it's not straight, just go back again, taking the comb and then removing any little hair that's making the line crooked. And that's how you open your line. Then after doing that, if my line is straight and I'm happy with it, I then go ahead to open all the blocks in advance, like so I don't make a mistake. Like if you know when you're braiding your hair, like when you're braiding hair and you just open blocks one at a time, there's going to be a part where maybe the last block might be bigger or might be smaller. So when you're opening the line like this, it helps you know that all your blocks are the same size. So you open your blocks in advance and everything is the same.
This is a boho French curl. What I do is that I'll add some French curl, then I braid it 2 times, then I'll remove a small strand out just to represent the boho aspect, and then I repeat it like 2 more times. Or some braid has like 3 curl left out. So depending on how full your client wants their boho braids to look like. guys, this is the final look. Look how amazing this boho French curl is looking. Wow, like wow. This is so neat. This is so good.
Feels good to be done, guys. Whenever I finish braiding, the relief, guys. Then the next day I have to do the same thing again. Oh, guys. My sister's giving me the side eyes.
It's here, you. Is it not sure?
It's not so good. Okay.
It is.
It's not good for the down. So it's not good for it. Right.
And the Uber is here.
Yeah, he's gonna wait.
Oh yeah, very. So today clients were so kind. She was rushing to work and we finished right on time. I'm so happy she could meet up with her work. And yeah, guys, heading home. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So bye guys, chop chop.